Here's how we do the scale. We'll start again with the right hand on the middle C, and we'll go very slowly. 1, 2, 3, and then we switch. We put thumb on the F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go ahead and repeat it a few more times. Once you can do it with the right hand well, let's try to do it with the left hand. We'll start on the middle C, and we will go down the scale. 1, 2, 3, switch to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and repeat it, and it might take you a few days to practice this so that you can do it fairly comfortably. Once each hand is learned really well, let's put them together. We'll start together on the middle C. We'll do exactly the same fingers in both hands, and we'll be going the opposite directions, like this. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and practice this. It might take several repetitions, and might take you maybe a week, maybe 2, until you get very comfortable with this. So once you can do it easily, maybe like a medium speed, we can add the second half of the scale. Let's try to go both directions. So it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will head back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and repeat your right hand several times so you can do it easily up and down. Now it's the left hand turn. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's go back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 3, 2, 1. Once you've learned the right hand well and you've learned the left hand well separately, we can put them together. Let's start on the middle C, and we'll go 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 3, 2, 1. Basically now we're playing C major scale. I would practice this for a week or 2, maybe even longer, until you can do it very, very easily. And only then I would try to play the scale parallel motion. This time your left hand will need to start on that lower C with the pinky. And let's go ahead and play just the left hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and repeat that maybe 5 times. Once you can do that easily, remind yourself how the right hand goes. So we'll start in the middle C with the 1, and let's go very slow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you can do each hand separately really well, let's try to do them together in a parallel motion this time. So right hand will start 1 on the middle C, and left hand will start pinky on the lower C. So we will be playing the same notes in both hands, but our fingerings are not going to be lining up anymore. So let's do it very slowly. And once you reach the E, the right hand needs to switch to the thumb on the F, and left hand will not be switching, it will continue going. And now you're on a G. The next thing you need to do in the left hand to switch to 3 on an A. Once you can do it really well, we're ready to play opposite way. So let's do again, hands separate. We'll do the left hand first, start on the middle C, and we will be going down. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Practice it a few more times. I don't think it should be any problems for you to play it at this point. Let's do the right hand. So we will start on a higher C with the pinky and we will be going down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch, 3. Go ahead and repeat it maybe 3 times. It has to feel pretty easy. Now we will be going with both hands down. So we'll be playing the same notes, but our fingerings again are not going to be lining up. So left hand starts 1 on a middle C, and right hand starts 5 on a higher C. Let's go ahead and play it very slow. And once you reach the 3 on an A, left hand needs to switch. So you will be putting thumb on a G. Now you're on an F. Next, right hand will be switching to 3 on an E. Go ahead and repeat it as many times as needed. And hopefully within a few days or maybe a couple weeks, you'll be able to do this. Have fun practicing. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you like it, click the like button and leave a comment. If you have a question, leave a comment and I'll answer it as soon as I can. I'm here to help you guys.